Hey guys, it's Mike from Urban English, and today I'm actually coming to you from the original train station of Colombia, which is right there in the background. It's Estación del Tranvía here at Plaza Aduana on the Via 40. Absolutely gorgeous day today. And guys, today's expression is a very simple and unfortunately quite a common expression, and that is to throw in the towel. Okay, so to throw in the towel basically means to quit. In Spanish, you would say something like tirar la toalla. An example of that would be, let's say you're working on a project for school and it's super difficult and you spend hours and hours and hours and you're just not finding the result that you want. Throw in the towel. Guys, I want to hear from you examples of when you might throw in the towel. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if there are any expressions that you would like me to explain, in the comments below. Guys, remember, please, I need you to subscribe to this channel. In fact, I want you to share it with your friends and get them to subscribe as well. Click that button and, wait a minute, that button? Yeah, that button right there. Click that button, subscribe, and as usual, have a fantastic day.